Hey friends, if Windows Update Assistant is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. We have a script for you. Copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally restart all the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.